Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you're doing well and preparing for December 2021 exams. Thank you all who have been joining me on my special live classes on Unacademy. Now again I'm coming up with two more special live classes on 15th and 16th September sharp at 7 p.m. On 15th September, we will be discussing what to revise just before the exams, and on 16th September, we will be discussing the revision techniques for exams. So both the sessions will be regarding the revision only, how to revise, how many times to revise, and what is the purpose and need of the effective revision. I hope you all join me at sharp 7 p.m. The links to both the classes will be in the description box below. You can go and check them. And best part is that these special live classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock them by using my code CSJAS and catch me live at 7 p.m. Alongside that, Unacademy offers live interactive special courses for CA, CS and CMA students. So you can go and check on the Unacademy app. You just have to download the Unacademy app and select your goal, whichever is your goal. For example, if you are a CS Executive Module 1 student, you have to select the goal as CS Executive Module 1. Or if you are a CS Executive Module 2 student, you can select the goal as and so. Or if you are a CA or CMA student, you just have to select your goal and look for the subscriptions for you. And once you decide to subscribe, don't forget to use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. Yes, whatever the subscriptions rate will be on Unacademy app, you will get flat 10% off by using my code, that is CSJAS. So do use my code and avail flat 10% discount when taking the subscription on Unacademy app. Along with the live interactive sessions, they do have the doubt solving sessions, the practice of MTPs, RTPs and one-day revision before the exams, which is added benefits and advantages for all the students of the relevant courses. So you can easily go and check on their app and get yourself subscribed, that too by availing flat 10% discount by using my code CSJAS. Hope to see you all sharp at 7 p.m. on 15th and 16th September as well. Bye.